Hi everyone, myself A. Shivakumar, Senior Physical Science Teacher. Today I am going to give some tips to score better marks in Physical Science. So before going to the topic, please share, subscribe Mr. Om Prakash Educational YouTube channel. Now coming to the topic, in Physical Science SSC Public Examination, so you will have two parts. One is part A and part B. Part A consists of 30 marks, part B consists of 10 marks, total 40 marks. In part A, there are 3 sections. First section, you will have 3 questions. So 3 twos are 6 marks. And in section 2, you will have another 3 questions and 3 into 4, 12 marks. Section 2 consists of 12 marks. And section 3, there is a choice in the section 3. You have to write any 2 out of 3. So that 2 into 6, 12 marks. Total 30 marks in part A. And now you have to follow some tips to score better marks, good marks in part A. What are the tips means? First, when you take in the question paper, first you have to read the 9 questions thoroughly. You have to spend at least 2 to 3 minutes in the total. Once you glance the question paper, then you know each and every question you know, but once you have to check. So 2 to 3 minutes you have to spend for the question paper first. Then you have to choose in which section you are perfect. Then start that section with neat handwriting. Suppose you are having you are perfect in first section, then start with first section. Or else when you are perfect in second section, you can start with second section. And when you are perfect in third section, long answers, then you can answer first these questions. So generally everyone will start with first section. So first section consists of 3 questions and 2 marks, so total 6 marks. In first section we have to follow, while writing first section, definitely you have to read the question, because in first section you have to answer 3 to 5 sentences or 3 to 4 sentences. So while writing the 2 marks question, means first section you have to pinpointedly you have to write. In first section definitely one uses will come, like concave, convex or application type 1 question will come, and another material required question will come. So while writing these questions you have to follow, you have to write with neat handwriting and pinpointed answers. Okay, next coming to third, in the first section third question, there is a chance of coming from 12th chapter. So you need to write one conceptual based question will come. So if you, while writing the answer these question, definitely you have to read twice the question, then only you will understand the perfect question, you will write the perfect answer. And coming to second session, there are another 3 questions which consist of 4 marks, total 12 marks. In this section also we have to write with very neat handwriting, and there are some conceptual questions will be given in this second session. So while writing you need to write with 5 to 6 sentences. 5 to 6 sentences. Then, so while writing these answers, you have to maintain a neat handwriting, and some technical words which are involved in the based upon the question, which will involve in the answers. Technical terms we have to involve definitely. Then only you will get 4 by 4 marks. in this section. And coming to third section, you have to write only 2 long answers out of 3. Out of 3 you need to write only 2 answers. So definitely one question from diagram question. So while drawing the diagram, you have to draw very neat diagram, and basically the diagram questions coming from the first chapter or fourth chapter. So after drawing the diagram, you have to write the nature and position. Okay na children? Next, and one lab activity question will come in the long answer, lab activity. So while writing this question, you have to write aim, material required, procedure, and any diagram is there for lab activity you need to draw, and as well as any chemical equation also you need to write the chemical equation perfectly with balanced chemical equation. Then you will get, definitely you will get 12 marks in this section, definitely you will get. And another long answer, one conceptual based question will come. So while writing this, you have to write nearly 8 to 10 sentences. And coming to, this is a part A, you will score, definitely you will score out of 30 marks, definitely you will score 29 to 30 marks if you maintain neat handwriting, and you have to follow some technical words. Okay na children? Then coming to part B. Part B consists of total objective questions, multiple choice question. 10 questions will be given, Nana. So 1 mark. So total 10 marks. So in objective, total 10 objective will be there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These all objective questions will come from the each chapter and with conceptual based questions, Nana. So when you read these all, when you cover all the chapters, definitely you will able to answer these questions. But there are 1 or 2 questions you will face some difficulties. So while writing these objective, so there are some options. The options they will give, like if they give in capital A, capital B options and capital D, you need to write the in the bracket definitely a capital letter. Like if the option is suppose C, capital C you have to write, or else capital, if answer is capital B, then you have to write capital B, not small b. And avoid strikings, don't strike like this, don't overwrite. So write with a pencil very neatly. Then if it is confirmed, then write with a pen very neatly, don't strike. Multiple strikings will not get the marks. And coming to each question, in 8 out of these 10 questions, definitely you will answer 8 questions. 1 or 2 questions you will face problem. In that questions, you have to read the question twice, thrice. Definitely you will get the answer. So you can eliminate 2 options, like elimination method also, you can eliminate 2 options, then out of these 2 options you can choose the correct option. So in this way you can get, by following this all the tips, you can get, definitely you can get good marks, above 36 marks, above 36 marks you can get, Nana.